welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Essie, and today we are back with another hair tutorial. I mean, we are doing festive, we are doing fun, we are doing simple, you know, just all around just quickness, okay? And shout out to Supernatural Chix for these clip-ins. They are still hanging in there, going strong, staying moist, staying luscious, tangle free, and yeah, let's go ahead and get into this tutorial. Like, we're not here to do a lot of yapping. We are here to tutorialify the makeup part. So this is like gonna be the section that will be gel down and not necessarily like actually braided down. So let me go ahead and get this partition, please. What we just ended up with. I ended up making the braid a little bit bigger because I feel like it balances out my forehead a little bit better. Yeah, so let me know what you guys think. Make sure to share it and like it and subscribe. As far as my makeup, if you're trying to figure out why my eye situation is a little dramatic right now, it's because I decided to do a cut crease look. I attempted to do a cut crease look. I was actually watching a tutorial while I was doing this, and I will have this video up for you guys as soon as possible. So make sure to stay tuned. Till next time.